right below our entertainment unit, we decided to install the Dimplex Fireplace. This beautiful fireplace, check this out, I'm gonna turn it on right now, can be activated right with the button on top here, but can also work with the remote. It does provide heating to rooms up to 1,000 square feet. Can you imagine that? It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I'm going to be showing you a couple of shots at night, and it is a beautiful, beautiful unit. You can have this wall mounted or have it custom designed like this, where we have it in a entertainment unit right under our TV, which I think looks really, really nice as well. But yes, at night, it is a beautiful thing to just look at, but also practical because it heats you up in those cold winter nights. It's amazing. By Dimplex.